And this light is produced with high voltage, so we actually took this electrode and we started playing with electroshock, so when you touch it, it kind of hurts a bit. And we talked about this, and then we started playing with lasers. So usually, like also in science, a lot of things people are interested not because they want to save the world, but because it's interesting, because it's somehow appealing, because it's nice to play with. And so laser often is a thing that people are like, you can do so many great things with lasers. So we started playing with these small lasers. We saw that there is speckles like this special phenomena of lasers, and we were discussing where it comes from. So we saw like, if we project it on a very smooth surface, maybe the speckles are going to disappear. And so we were thinking, how can we make a smooth surface? So we took, one idea was to take a petri dish and then put some nail polish in, and with this nail polish should be a very smooth surface. And when we project the laser, maybe the speckles are going to disappear. We're not quite results there. Then we started also going into the wet lab, because we had this great wet lab at the Paillasse, and we went in and out to take some pumps and tubes, and then of course the researchers there, or the people doing the research, they start talking to us. They're working also on electrochemistry, so we got in contact. This was a bit this friction part. We then started putting diamonds that we found in the street, because we like a lot to do dumpster diving, so we go actually in the street and find stuff, because a lot of these things is recycled, so it's very great source of inspiration. And so we found motors and crystals, we put them together with a laser, and we did this kind of talking about crystallography, like how you can use lasers. And so it goes on, and we have a lot of diverse topics that we were looking into, MIDI, we were looking into mushroom electrification, and maybe you can talk about. And so this board now is kind of a little collection, so if you want later you can also come and have a look.